you guys are by the title. Today is another Makeup Monday video. Today we're going to be trying to recreate the viral Latto inspired makeup that the girlies have been doing, but obviously on dark skin. I did my hair recently. I did not film it. I was supposed to, but this is my first time trying like mini twists with extensions. I am getting over a cold, so if I'm out of breath, that's why. I'm about to put on some more moisturizer because they say for this look you have to be extra moisturized because it's a lot of powder. We can be closer. I play those same games. I will be doing my edges later, but right now, makeup. I'm about to do my lashes off camera. This is the brand I'm using. It's an Amazon brand. It comes with different thicknesses. But yeah, these are the different ones. Today, I think I'm going to use these. More of the heavier side. I just want to see how this is gonna look on me. We're gonna try these out. I think we're gonna do these today. Actually, we're gonna go a little bit lighter. We're gonna do these today. All right, I did my lashes. I have to go on TikTok off of this phone because it's on my main phone and I'm not on my main phone. Okay, I kind of like how hers is coming up, so we're gonna follow her tutorial. So first thing first is I have to carve out my brows and conceal my lid. If you guys want my signature, my everyday or my go-to makeup look and see the products I use, then I would just say the link will be in the description. Sometimes over and you got us all night with me, oh don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love you for the night.
High volume.
I like how you wrap around the edges, hanging on your chest in my bed now. Loving all the days we together. If they don't get it, then forget it. I do, yeah I do. Not gonna lie, I think I used too much concealer for my eyebrows. Love when you call me baby, make me feel like a lady, and we go off around that cake. Love is never lazy, but when I wake up you ain't there, now I'm going crazy. I ask myself, we can be close. Step 1 done. Next, set eyelids with powder and then take a light eyeshadow and carve out half your lid. I don't have any eyeshadow. We're gonna do something a little different. I play those same games 1,000 times over, and you break us all night with me, oh don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love you for the night. I know them other girls. Next is clean it up with a Q-tip. Latto has her signature eyeshadow winged out. Don't have a Q-tip. We're gonna use a makeup wipe. And they all the same. You could have the world or you could have LA. I'ma give it. It's prime. For today, we're gonna use the Chill Out Milani primer. Do you? And I don't hesitate. If I call you up, then you know that I'm on the way. You and your mouth catching checks that you know gonna bounce. You say you promise and promise you'll figure it out, but I can't. So foundation and then contour.
Every day I wanna pick up the phone,
and we go off around the table. Love is never lazy.
everything I need and more.
But I can't wait to tease me. Back down.
Like a cold summer afternoon, like the snow coming down in June.
Back
Like
down.
a wedding without a groom. I'm missing you.
Is liquid blush. This is the placement she did.
Without the sun, you're the one that would cut mine.
Back down.
The ring without a hand. I'm missing you.
I ask myself, we can be close. So I'm gonna keep it very light. Latto uses like a light pink blush, and I only have dark pink. I have yet to go get a light pink blush, but I'm gonna invest in one soon. It's Constella.
Your best. You know where to come and crash when your life a wreck. About that stress, left with hickeys on your neck. Pull up, get the spin on that mic like funk flex. You need a bitch, know what to do with you. Don't cut you up like where you at, and nigga, who with you? I'm the only one, no.
Next step, which is the last step, is set your creams, add your lashes. My lashes are on. Lip, and don't forget the beauty mark.
For everything you like, you could have this for the night or for your life.
I ask myself why we can't be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over. And you got this long night with me, or don't you? You can leave your guard at the door and let me love you for the night. We can't be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over. And you got this long night with me, or don't you? You can leave your guard at the door and let me love you for the night.
High volume.
I like how you ever.
Alright, y'all, that is the finished makeup look. I don't know, I feel like it's my regular makeup routine. I don't know, I feel like it looks a little bit flawless versus when I do it on a normal day basis. I don't know, maybe I'm being delusional, but this is the finished makeup look. How would you rate it? This was the inspo. This is me. And yeah, I'm on a time crunch, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn your post notifications so you get notified when I upload for you guys. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.
I know about it.